The 2 renovation tools for sellers with the highest ROI. So you're thinking about putting your house on the market? Yikes! The entire process seems so darn daunting. HGTV makes it seem like everyone needs to have their house look like a model home. How intimidating is that? I've got good news for you. I'm Sally Daly of the Daly Group at Douglas Elliman in Vero Beach, Florida. Today, I'm letting you know inside baseball scoop of the 2 renos to make to your house to give you the best bang for your buck and will not cost you a king's ransom. Paint. Paint is a miracle in a can. It can transform a space, create a mood, showcase moldings or special features, make a space seem larger. I could go on and on and on. Paint says to prospective buyers, I am fresh and new. I am a house that's been loved and well maintained. I am a house that would be easy peasy for you to move into. Here's why it matters. A freshly painted interior or exterior will boost the buyer's perceived value of your house. And that perception will translate into a higher sales price for your house. Take a look at your house. Pretend you're a buyer. Is your front door shabby or charming? Does the exterior cry, help? I need a new paint job that doesn't look like it's from the color palettes of the 1990s or early 2000s. It matters. Take a look at your interior. You may love your fuchsia Barbie she cave room or your man cave painted with a Miami Dolphins logo. Shout out to the Fins. I can assure you, prospective buyers will not, and will move on to another house that's just easier to move into. These custom paint jobs say to a buyer, I am a project. I will take your time and money, or both, to make this space feel like my home. Why it matters. That impact of work reduces your buyer pool, which will result in fewer showings and lower offers as perception of value is diminished. Today's buyers do not want a project, period, hard stop. This even goes for something like paint. Yellow, the dark tans of the 2000s, and broadly, any or all vivid accent walls or paint jobs. Neutral is your friend, and the right neutral, creamy white, agreeable gray. Try to avoid whites with a yellow cast in them. Think of your home as a project, aiming to make it look as nearly new a home, even a model home, as possible to maximize perception of value and minimize days on market. And what's the other tool I mentioned? Clean. Shiny and sparkling clean. Clean your rugs. Clean your grout, clean your baseboard, and clean your light switches. You know, the ones that kind of get grimy with fingerprints on them. We all live that way, broadly, but when you want to sell your house, clean everything. Clean your refrigerator. Yes, it will get looked at. Obviously, clean your toilets and your sinks. Clean involves no cost other than some sweat equity and maybe a carpet cleaning rental at your big box hardware store. Clean says, we take care of our house and allows buyers to focus on the house instead of obvious housekeeping fails. It matters. Paint first, clean after. The potent 1-2 combo of easy and inexpensive renovation tools will provide you with a major return on time and investment. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this episode and subscribe above so you'll be notified when we publish new content for you. I'm Sally Daly from the Daly Group at Douglas Elliman in Vero Beach, Florida. Happy painting, happy cleaning. Until next time, take care. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. This way you'll get notified when we produce new videos. And if you want to see more content right now, click to the videos to the left and you'll see more.